This is WPTV, today on 5 at 11.
And for those of you who took up the Dry January challenge, the 4 changes to your body for the better. A physician is joining us live to talk about it.
Nearly a quarter of Americans have committed to Dry January. And so here with 4 things that happen to your body when you stop drinking alcohol is Dr. Eudene Harry. Excuse me, I kind of butchered that a little bit. Eudene Harry, a medical lifestyle expert. Thank you so much for coming in.
Thank you.
You look at the calendar, we're about, what, 23 days into the new year. People who are committing to this challenge, they're probably seeing some benefits by now, starting with their waistline.
Absolutely, because Dry January gives you the opportunity to lose that last 5 pounds or the 5 pounds you gained during the holiday season.
Yeah, I always tend to think too, and it's different, I'm sure, for everybody, but it's always those problem spots. It seems like they go as soon as you stop drinking.
As soon as you stop drinking. Because it's funny, the study tells us that the alcohol triggers cells in the brain to make us think that we're starving.
Oh, wow.
So we start eating more.
And you eat more.
Yeah.
Another benefit, lower cholesterol.
Oh, you go to your doctor, he's going to love you for this because your numbers are going to start looking better. Your triglycerides
What did you do?
Yeah, he's going to, whatever you're doing, keep doing it. And you're like, do I have to?
Sure. I committed to the first 30 days, not sure about that. 2 more benefits, clarity, and a lot of people, energy. They say they are more energized.
They are more energized, and I'll tell you why. Because your B vitamins that's needed to convert your energy into, your food into energy, usually goes towards metabolizing alcohol. So you free that up, you're having more energy, and you're sleeping better.
And then the final benefit, you don't have to buy those expensive face creams anymore because your skin just has that natural glow.
It has a natural glow. It's plump because you're not dehydrated. For those of us who've had a couple of drinks, we know alcohol is a diuretic.
Well, you know, and for those who have committed to Dry January, it seems like the cravings come in at cocktail hour or nighttime. You put together a drink for us so we're not necessarily missing out.
Oh, yes, absolutely. So this is what it consists of. So we've got strawberries, and strawberries has actually been shown to help manage weight. Great in vitamin C and folic acid, a key ingredient that alcohol can use up. Then we've got lime, and we have mint. And then we have a little bit of agave syrup, and my favorite, ginger beer, right?
There you go.
And that tops it all off. And so basically what you do is you put all these ingredients in here, you muddle it up, you pour a little bit of the agave syrup, you put it on ice, and then you add the ginger beer onto this. And
a little bubbly.
If you do that, what you'll see here is that you have a really...
That's not bad at all.
Look at that. That looks really delicious.
And you can fit right in if you're going out.
And you can fit right in if you're going out. Everybody thinks you're drinking something really, really fancy here.
Well, listen, for those folks who are doing Dry January, you're halfway there, more than halfway there, but something to get through.
Something to get you through.
In the meantime, thank you, Dr. Harry. We appreciate that.